The Pad Standard product line includes board capabilities for system design capture and definition, intuitive project and design navigation, complete hierarchical support, and advanced design attribute and design rule management make it easy to capture and define your schematic. You are able to achieve efficiency and productivity with full forward and backward annotation to layout and routing. And Pad Standard includes all design rules and constraints with online DRC. The multi-level hierarchy guides you through the process of capturing rules in a user-friendly dialog box-driven user interface. Default, class, net, group, pin pair, layer, conditional, and component rules are all included. From the schematic, you can go to any page, and on the page you can select any net. Once you select a net, you can set up the desired clearances. As you can see, you can set up different types of clearances like trace the trace, trace the via, and many other clearance constraints within the schematic. The routing constraints enable you to set up which layers you will allow routing on and what vias to use. Once you've added your design rules, you can transfer this data into the layout utilizing the XDX Designer link. This enables you to forward the component information, connectivity, rules, and constraints from your schematic into the layout. The forwarded rules become the default rules for the layout. Like with the schematic, you have the clearance values information that can be set and adjusted with different parameters for different entities, including the board outline. Under routing, the forwarded rules from the schematic can identify what layers you allow to route or not route on. You can also specify what vias you'd like to use or not use in your design. Changing net rules is easy. You can specify individual nets or show what nets have different rules than your defaults, including clearance and routing, and then change them simply by selecting them. If you've made any modification to the rules in layout, simply use the XDX Designer link again to back annotate the changes into the schematic. In Pad Standard, constraints and rules are easy to set up within the schematic or the layout, and the XDX Designer link ensures that your design is always in sync.